So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to cover all about the aggregate function. What is aggregate function, why it is used, is it important, everything we are going to cover in this video. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the aggregate function. Okay, yeah, so first of all, if we talk about what is meant by the aggregate function, so basically the aggregate function which performs and calculation on the multiple values and returns a single value. Okay, and just it is used with the group by and the select. Okay, so just we will see with the simple example. Okay, if we talk about what is meant by the aggregate function, so it is like example, here is an column, okay, in which I want to find the maximum value. Okay, so just I will use the aggregate function. Okay, using the max, this statement, I will easily identify that what is the highest value which is present in the salary column. Okay, so this is how the aggregate function works. Okay, so just we will go through the simple example. Okay, so here is an table in which there is an presence of the salary column. So now we are going to perform some task on this salary column. So first of all, I want to find out that how many rows are present in this salary column. So for that there is a simple statement that select count means select rows from the salary column in which from the employees table. Okay, so this statement here looks like this: select count salary from employees. Okay, so just select it and run it, and here you can see that there are the 5 rows which are present in the employees table. Here you can see there are the 5 rows. So let's move to the second part. So now I want to find here what is the minimum amount or what is the minimum value which is present in the salary column. So for that I want to just mention here as minimum, and just I have to run it, and here you can see that there is a minimum value mentioned in the salary column as 40,000. Okay, so yeah, now we are going to see about the what will be the maximum value. Okay, so just instead of min, just write the max and just run it. Here you can see that there is a maximum value which is present in the salary column. It is 70k. Now we are going to see that what will be the average amount which is present in the salary column. So for that just write here as AVG and just run it. Here you can see that the average will be 52000. Okay, so just I want here only 2 points. So for that just here write round and in the bracket comma 2 and just bracket complete and just run it, and here you can see that above after the decimal number there will be the presence of the only 2 numbers, because why we are mentioned here round off for the 2 numbers after decimal number. Okay, so now I want to find the sum. Okay, so just simply here write sum and just select it and run it, and here you can see that the sum will be here the amount xyz which you are seeing on the screen. Okay, so this was all about the aggregate function, what is meant by the aggregate function, why it is used, and here you can see that there isn't too much importance of the aggregate function. So it is used for the data cleaning. Yeah, so that's all we have seen about the aggregate function. So yeah, if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video with the group by clouds. Okay.